So, I played some more with this stuff. I created the overlaps where it starts, so there should not be a hiccup when I remove the backing. It should just be continuous. I did notice the first part cut it 2 times, which is not what I wanted, but it was an old setting that I forgot. Anyhow, I discovered something new, for me at least, and I guess for many. So first I removed the backing, as I did before. This time I'm gonna do 3 at a time. Hopefully that works. Who knows? See, it lets go on the end instead of being stuck there. Also, this coil has the width of the trace itself is only 6, well, that means 0.6 millimeter, which is rather smallish, and the space in between 0.5. So yesterday I was talking about 0.7 and 0.6. Well, I lowered that quite a bit. So by the looks of it, it's still capable of cutting it. Although you probably have a few more failures, but so I got my piece of mylar. Just gonna dump it over here. Paper towel. Next time I want to make some sort of a release, so you will see. I pull it off and then it's still attached. Well, in this case it came off, but sometimes it's stuck, like in this one. Now I dump it over here, remove this big stuff. And now, the trick. The trick is once more. Not sure what it's called. Naphtha, I guess, but I'm not sure. Or benzene, but it's not like petrol or something, so I don't know. Put a little bit on a paper rag. Just the fun thing is that I clean off the glue that I used to glue it down to the table. As well as something else, which is far more interesting. So here we go. Now removing the excess material is a lot faster than normal. Look at it go. No sticky stuff. Plop, gone. If you looked at my previous video and you've seen how long that took, this is a major improvement. Look how easy it is. So the problem was that the glue, although it has been cut, it adheres once more to the stuff it's separated from by using a little bit of this benzene or whatever it's called. It doesn't stick as hard. Well, the remaining stuff is still on there. Here, 3 with a tighter tolerance than yesterday. And they are clean as well. 3.3, doable. 3.3 and 3.3. These should be all the same, exactly the same. Unlike etching, this doesn't change. If it changes, then there's something broke, but if not, then they're exactly the same. So tolerances will be insanely accurate compared to etching. The machine does the same thing over and over. Not sure if this is even needed, but I'll just do it anyways. There you have it. Even tighter tolerances. Very happy with that. So I'm just gonna make some more, so I got some stock. Because I want to make the frames. That means I have to remove this table and yeah. Better do as many as I can right now, then remove the table and do the other stuff. But this is good news. So 0.6, 0.6 traces, 0.5 in between for a plotter. I'm not sure what a plotter normally is capable of, maybe even better than that, but to me this is a surprise and a rather nice one. See you once more, a boring plotting video, but in the end I should have a tweeter this size. The size is quite nice, I think. See ya.